Suddenly, it fell down. Some people gathered. They called the doctor.
What happened to it?
I don't know. Let us call the doctor.
Hurry up, call the doctor.
The use of plastic over the last 2 decades has become an important part in our life, and no doubt it is contributing to the growth of economy at the cost of environment. Now we have a group discussion on say no to plastic.
First of all, we should know what is plastic. Plastic is a material consisting of any of the wide range of synthetic or semi-synthetic organic compounds that are malleable and so can be molded into solid objects. The world's first fully synthetic plastic was bakelite, invented in New York in 1907 by Leo Baekeland, who coined the term plastic.
Something has got to be done. Something has got to be done. It began about a century ago. Plastic became the star of the show. Mold it any shape do you like. A straw for a drink and a seat for your bike. And ease the world's pain with a healthy food chain. Turtles would no longer gag on the supermarket's bag. Seabirds could have a meal. Let us have this deal. Less chemicals in the sea would be healthier for you and me. If we protest in mass, perhaps they will use more glass. Tick 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 tick. कसम ये खाए रे. Tick 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 tick. Plastic टिक ना पाए रे. Tick 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 tick. कसम ये खाए रे. Tick 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 tick. Plastic टिक ना पाए रे. अगर सुन लो जो संभले ना हम तो हम ये फट जाएगा.
माँ की सेवा करना मैंने माँ से ही सीखा. इस माँ की ममता देखो अंदर अकेले सकती है. हमको सांसें देने के लिए दिन रात की मेहनत करती है. नदियों में बहती है, सागर में ढलती है, हमको छाँव देती है, सूरज में तपती है. ये कोई नहीं कर सकता, बस माँ ही करती है.